After purchasing the 3 SaaS bundle, Gumroad will ask you to confirm your email address. You will receive an email with 3 license keys and links to download each WP plugin. After the WP plugin installation, insert the Gumroad license key and activate the license. After license activation, you will get the possibility to create an account by inserting your email address. Your email will receive a link to your 3 SaaS bundle control panel. We recommend activating all 3 SaaS plugins at the beginning, to be ensure all sites are connected correctly. From the 3 SaaS control panel, you need to test connections with each WP plugin. Insert URL, username, application password, and save data at the bottom. After save screen will change, and at the top, you have a button to test connection. At the top of the screen, you will see confirmation of the number of categories on the website. The next step is to copy the API key from the control panel and insert it into the WP plugin. You need to repeat the steps for all 3 SaaS tools. After test connection on WP plugin, you will receive site status view for each SaaS tool as confirmation. This was the hardest part of preparing to work tools and automation. Next, you need to mark what you want to be created. Select AI provider and post language. Select content style you want, or add on custom prompt. Insert RSS URLs and relevant keywords with URL link and save. In less than 5 minutes, all is ready to create post content. You can change AI providers from the control panel to the latest AI models and test new settings. AI Content Aggregator (ACA) can add relevant keywords to the posts also from CSV files. Posts can also be created from CSV files. Those 22 URLs are now pending and are ready to create new posts. We will create posts in the Portuguese and Japanese languages as separate categories. I will create a separate application password for each language. Remember to save after inserting data, and test to get the confirmation, no errors. We need to remember to mark scan active and auto scan enabled to work in automation. Already, 2 posts have been created, and we have basic data. We also have a list of pending articles. AI Content Aggregator, ACA, settings are done. After 6 hours, as you can see, 29 posts were created. It is the list of created posts with data. On the bottom, ALB created a short neutral sentence with a relevant keyword. For different languages, you can first translate the title to English to create more accurate images for post titles. ALB shows that backlinks were created in 52 posts, a total of 145, including 79 internal and 66 external. We can also modify the type of backlinks at any time, and we must remember to save.